Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, top 3, man, the top 3 crucial habits you must have and implement in your life to have a better overall existence, man. These are top 3, in my opinion, that have helped me on my journey immensely. Like, without a doubt, I could never go back to my older self and take these away, ever. There are plenty of habits that I implemented that were just not getting me anywhere, that truly did not help me as much as the ones that I'm gonna show you today. Now, I sincerely hope that you stick with me till the end of this video, the whole way, man. I challenge you to sit back, relax for the next 7 fucking minutes and see if you can truly separate yourself from your little child mind. Oh, I must flip through, find out what I must flip through. See if you can do it. I challenge you. Now, to make it clear, these 3 things are not the end all be all. These are just simple, basic habits you need to start doing today if you're not doing them. If you have started implementing them in your life, comment down below. Tell me how they've helped you. If I missed something in this list, there's only 3. So I'm sure you can think of something else that you would like to implement in your life and have it take you to the next level as a healthy ambition. All right, man, stick with me. Keep a clear head. This isn't gonna be some groundbreaking, crazy video. This is just something to get it through your head, man. Get it through your head. These things need to be done in your life, especially if you're younger, especially if you're just looking for that extra oomph. Number 1, man, one of the most important things a man can do in his game with women, with life, with business, this is so crucial to conquer this minor little fear that runs us, and that is to approach, okay? Now, when I say approach, I don't mean approach women. I don't mean go talk to women and pick them up and try to see if you could take them home or get their number or get their contact info. That's all good, man. And that is something you should be doing every day. And I understand, like, you know, it's COVID, places are locked down, you can't leave, you don't want to do anything. At some point, you got to leave the house, man. You got to go grocery shopping, you got to go fix this, you got to go pick up that. There are things that need to be done during this time. Take advantage. Approach people. Anybody. You have to approach the clerk at the grocery store. You have to approach people like that. That is not what I'm talking about. During the times that you're out, make it consistently walk up to total freaking strangers, say what's up, introduce yourself with no judgment, free, absolutely positively free from all outcome, man. There is no fighting that fear. Oh, the social anxiety. Oh my God, the approach anxiety never goes away. That is fucked up, man. Why even think that? Just do what I always say. Go forth and conquer. What is stopping you? You are stopping you. Just take initiative. Move that little boy that is you aside and become a better person by just freaking going, man. Just go. Now listen, man, I say this in all my damn videos. Number 2, one of the most important habits I still do to this day, without a doubt, every morning and night, sometimes in the middle of the day, I will take time to separate myself from my thoughts, from my emotions, and become the awareness, the outer perspective that truly is our consciousness. And what do? I meditate. I meditate a lot. Whoops. I sincerely hope that you meditate. I have created courses, there's free ones, it's in the description, in the comments, free course, free workshop. Plus, I have a sacral chakra masterclass. If you're practicing retention, man, and all you're doing is practicing retention and doing nothing else, you've only done half of the work. You have to, through meditation, dive deep into the sacral chakra. Finish the work you started. Link is in the description, man. Check it out. I hope to see you there. Go flip through my channel, man. Listen to what I have to say about it. It will absolutely change your life. Guaranteed, without a doubt. Now, number 3, man. If you have an idea of what you think number 3 is, comment down below and tell me what you think it is. And after I say this, you're gonna realize how simple these things are, but don't take them for granted. They are so powerful. You really don't understand until you start putting them in your daily life and seeing the results. It's out of control, man. It is out of control. Number 3, so freaking easy. Take your health into account. Your nutrition. Make a smoothie every day. Now, this can get out of hand. I've had clients in the past when I coach fitness that would get the idea that the smoothie was a, Dunkin' Donuts dessert or a Dairy Queen smoothie. That's what they think a smoothie is. That's what most of the population thinks a smoothie is. It's dessert. And look, man, in the beginning, you can make it a dessert, but you must put vegetables in it. And the purpose of the smoothie is to get mass amounts of vegetables and nutrition into your body without hurting your jaw, chewing tons of freaking vegetables, because I don't want to chew a bunch of vegetables all day, man. I don't want to chew all that shit. No, man, no. The smoothie is key. It is key. This is what got me, man. As soon as I started implementing smoothies every day, drop in anxiety, no more depressive thoughts. My mind did not control me as much as it was. This takes it to another level. When you meditate, insane how this changes your life. But this is the physical level of it. Metaphysical, physical level. The physical level must be focused on as well. Getting that kale in you, man. Getting that in you. Those leafy greens, the cruciferous vegetables, the rhizomes. We need this stuff. And that, my friend, is exactly the top 3 things that took me to another level. It just, when I go back in the past and I think, oh my God, I did that and I did that. These are the 3 things that I would double up on and make sure that they stuck. This right here, man, it was off and on for me. Sometimes I'd go out in public and I didn't care. I was so down on myself, man. I had no self-worth, no confidence. It was before I started to take things into account. My nutrition. When you get your nutrition in check, when you get your fitness in check, you start to gain confidence and self-worth because you see the freaking progress, man. And hitting milestones feels good. It makes you another person. This right here, though, end all be all. Every man that I've ever coached, I've never seen them do this and tell me that doesn't work. The only way you fail at the metaphysical is if you stop, if you give up. Okay? That's it. If you just do it, you will make progress. Period, man. Everyday approach somebody. Learn to meditate. Take the advice I give you or some other content creator, some other coach. Take their advice and put it into use. If it's not me, it better be somebody, man. Use it to your advantage. And last but not least, man, take your nutrition seriously. You must take your nutrition seriously. Thank you for watching, man. Check out the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.